Welcome to Palm Springs 353, a peaceful condo in Versailles, one of Puerto Vallarta's top neighborhoods. This beautiful condo features 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, perfect for guests seeking comfort, style, and a home to live in Puerto Vallarta. As you walk in, you're welcomed by a bright living room with large windows that let natural light flood the space. The kitchen is modern and functional, with high-quality finishes and breakfast bar where you can enjoy casual meals or our morning coffee. The bathroom is conveniently located for guests. The primary bedroom includes a full ensuite bathroom and is also filled with natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. second bedroom is spacious and filled with natural light, making it perfect for guests, family, or even a home office. Whether you're looking for investment, a vacation home, or your new everyday residence, this condo has everything you need to live the lifestyle you deserve. The amenities in this development include a pool, grill area, sun deck, and two-story gym. Small but well equipped for your daily workouts. Located in one of Puerto Vallarta's most desirable areas, Versailles is a neighborhood known for its high property value growth and vibrant lifestyle. Just a step away from the condo, you'll find a wide variety of restaurants, cafés, bars, and bakeries. From the gourmet dining to casual taco joints, Versailles is a true culinary hotspot. The area has become increasingly popular thanks to its charm, walkability, and the boom in the new developments, making it one of the fastest growing neighborhoods in the city. Versalles is also strategically located, only 10 minutes from the Puerto Vallarta International Airport, around 15 minutes to the romantic zone, and 10 minutes to the downtown Puerto Vallarta. If you're looking to invest in Puerto Vallarta or find the perfect place to live, Palm Springs 353 is a great opportunity. Contact us today to schedule a private showing and experience it for yourself.